Impung order dated 13 December 2013 of the learned single judge is a common order by which both the writ petitions have been dismissed. One writ petition, namely writ petition number 61733 of 2013, was filed by the appellant, while the other writ petition was filed by Ritu Saxena. The dispute pertains to the appointment on the post of Shiksha Mitra. The appellant applied on 20 November 2005 for selection to the said post pursuant to an advertisement that was issued on 27 October 2005. The advertisement required that application could be submitted up to 20 November 2005 by 5 p.m. The appellant, however, submitted her domicile certificate subsequently on 22 January 2013. The case of the appellant is that the candidature of the appellant, who was placed higher in rank than Ritu Saxena, was not considered since the domicile certificate was not enclosed with the application form. Para. The appellant earlier filed writ petition number 47222 of 2007 before this court following the rejection of the representation by the district magistrate. While disposing of the earlier writ petition, the learned single judge in the judgment dated 9 January 2013 held that though the domicile certificate was issued to the appellant by the subdivisional magistrate Rath on 25 November 2005, but it was cancelled on 6 December 2005 merely to favor Ritu Saxena. The learned single judge held that there was no delay on the part of the appellant in submitting the domicile certificate. The order of the district magistrate was therefore quashed and he was directed to consider the matter afresh. Pursuant to the order of the learned single judge dated 9 January 2013, the district magistrate Hamirpur passed a fresh order on 26 September 2013. The district magistrate held that the selection of Ritu Saxena on the post of Shiksha Mitra in village Atraulia, Tahsil Rath was not made in accordance with law and accordingly her appointment was cancelled. However, even after noticing that the appellant was placed higher than Ritu Saxena in order of merit, the district magistrate did not pass any order for her appointment because on 2 June 2010 a government order was issued by which, with effect from 1 April 2010, a ban was imposed on making fresh appointments on the post of Shiksha Mitra. In the circumstances, the district magistrate referred the matter to the state government, holding that it was not possible for him to take a decision at his level. Thereupon, the appellant moved a writ petition before the learned single judge. The learned single judge found merit in the grievance of the appellant in regard to the manner in which her domicile certificate was cancelled, but nonetheless observed that since fresh appointments to the post of Shiksha Mitra could not be made, no interference was required in the order of the district magistrate. The order, which has been passed by the district magistrate on 26 September 2013, would indicate that he has found that the grievance of the appellant is genuine. Over.